Ladies and gents, welcome back. Another beautiful day out here, or I should say evening. So getting Larry ready for the road trip, the epic cross-country road trip here. I ordered some rain guards off Amazon. So let's put those things on and see how they work. Like I said, I got these bad boys on Amazon and they were cheap. I want to say only 30 bucks for the whole set. And it's got real 3M sticky on there. Impressive. Not too bad. Oh, just pre-breaking them. Well, as far as installation, these things are so straightforward, they don't even come with instructions, but you just peel this thing off and stick them to the truck. The installation's a little bit more complicated, not much. Pull off the little rubber things that are over here, and I think it's a 7/16. Loosen those bad boys up and it'll loosen your mirror up. And I have aftermarket mirrors, but the stock ones are just the same. You can see we got a loose, and that will give you enough room to put the front in. Boom, like that. Tech tip here, take some alcohol and clean the area before you go sticking anything on there. Finished product. Looks pretty good, especially for under 30 bucks. Super stoked on that. Amazon hot deal of the day, under 30 bucks. Rain guards, awesome. They fit good, work good, real 3M. What more could you want? But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.